Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to export Gemini chat history. If you've been using Gemini for conversations, research, or productivity, you might want to export your chat history for backup, reference, or record keeping. Google provides a simple way to do this using Google Takeout, where you can download your data safely. To begin, open your browser and go to Google Takeout by visiting takeout.google.com. If you're not already signed in, log in using the same Google account you use for Google Gemini. Once you're inside Google Takeout, you'll see a list of all the Google services that can be exported. By default, all services may be selected, but you don't need everything. Click on Deselect All to start fresh. Now, scroll through the list and find Gemini and My Activity. Make sure to check both of these options. Selecting Gemini ensures your chatbot interactions are included, while My Activity may contain additional interaction logs related to your usage. Once selected, scroll down and click Next Step. Now you'll configure how your data will be exported. You can choose delivery method, such as download link via email, file type, usually .zip is recommended, and file size limit. You can also decide whether you want a one-time export or schedule exports. After choosing your preferences, click Create Export. Google will now begin preparing your data. Depending on how much data you have, this process may take a few minutes to several hours. You'll receive an email notification once your export is ready. To summarize, exporting your Gemini chat history involves going to Google Takeout, deselecting all services, selecting Gemini and My Activity, choosing your export settings, and downloading the file once it's ready. This allows you to safely back up and access your conversations anytime. And that's how to export your Gemini chat history. By using Google Takeout and selecting the right data, you can easily download and store your conversations for future use. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.